Let's make wings.
3 ways.
Let's try these out. Huh. Damn, that's good.
Yep.
Woohoo! Yes, sir. Go get it. Go get a win the splash zone, baby. My God, he just ain't tossing around 40-yard TD passes. Listen.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey guys, what's up? I am Chad Ward, and I'm here with my man Justin Herbert in his backyard. Today's all about Traeger tailgating this season. Justin, we gotta talk chicken wings.
Personally, I always go with the buffalo, the barbecue, or even like a Parmesan garlic. I think those are tough to beat. You know, everyone loves them, so it's been great for everyone.
Well, you hit on a couple that we're gonna do today. So we're gonna do a smoked wing with buffalo sauce, and then wait for it, we're doing a smoked fried wing. Yes, sir. A little something new I want you to try out, and we're gonna start by getting these babies seasoned up. And jump in, let's do it.
Looking forward to it.
Woo! All right, so here we've got our wings that are already sectioned. So we've got our flaps and our drums. By the way, there's a flap guy right here. Yeah. Flap guy. So these are already separated, but if you ever get the whole wing that's got it all connected, don't fret. It's not that hard to separate. You can actually just look at the joints where the segment and the drummy attach. Let your knife do the work and get between those two joints, and they'll easily separate for you. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and get your favorite rub. Today we're using the Traeger pork and poultry. I love this one because it gives them great color. And remember, when you're seasoning your wings, one thing to think about is, what else am I going to do to this wing? I'm going to add buffalo sauce. If you're going to add another kind of sauce, think about the salt levels, because you don't want to season the wings too heavy, then add something else that has sauce, something else that has sauce, and they become really, really salty. So we're gonna give these a good seasoning, but not too much over the top. And then we're gonna throw these on the Traeger at 225 for about 45 minutes to an hour until these babies are done. So stay tuned. You ready to eat some wings, my man?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. These babies are done.
Yep.
I'm gonna need you to hold right here, my friend. I think that'll get us through this first batch. These have been smoked. You've got that Traeger smoked flavor on them. I mean, you too bold to give one a try? Right out the grill?
Let's do it.
So this to me is that first level of wing. It's got a nice smoke profile to it, nice seasoning. Let's give it a shot. Super juicy.
Yeah, they're good as is right here.
I think we can do better though, man. We're looking more of a Pro Bowl, Super Bowl type wing. I mean, we ain't trying to.
All right, that's fair.
It's an honorable mention.
Yeah.
We'll take it. Those smoked wings we just had, they were great. We got to take them to the next level. First thing we're gonna do is gonna make our hot sauce. A bottle of that. I've got some butter, so we're just gonna come over here. We've got our hot sauce. I'm gonna throw a little dab of butter in there. Yep. That butter's gonna thin it out, also gives it a nice sheen, makes it coat the wings better. Okay. So we're gonna throw that back on there, give it probably about 30 seconds, just let that melt. I'll mix it a couple times, and then we're gonna throw some wings in here and get it tossing. Our barbecue sauce is ready. I'm gonna get us about 10 wings in here so we can try this sauced wing. I'm gonna put that there and let me get you a little bit of this, my man.
Wow, that smells good.
All right. Now give me that toss. Let me see your best wing toss. Go get a win the splash zone, baby. My God, he just ain't tossing around 40-yard TD passes. Listen.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, you tossed them up. Why don't you land them right there for me? Let's try some.
Yes, sir.
Woo, yes, sir. All right, pick out your favorite.
Flats.
Yeah, I'm gonna go drummy.
It's like a dessert.
That's a good wing. I mean,
That's really good.
You know what? You show up at a tailgate, or you're cooking for the friends at the house. I mean, nobody gets upset about this. You ready to go next level, bro?
Can you go next level? You can go past this?
One time, let's do it.
If you
Smoke
can,
fried wings coming up, baby. It's smoke fried wing time. We've got these same smoked wings that we had before.
Yep.
We've ate them by themselves. We put a little buffalo sauce with them. Both really good options. Now it's time to go next level. We've got our induction burner rolling. We've got our cooking oil 375. Let's drop some in.
Give the people what they want.
Woo! What you think? You want a little 5-pack snack for yourself?
Yeah, please.
About 3 minutes. Don't want to crowd our pot too much. There we go. And while those are frying, I gotta tell you how I stumbled upon this. So several years ago, City of Lakeland Tigers, we got the single A affiliate down there, did a wing competition night. Everybody was taking it to the restaurant and frying their wings and then bringing them in hot boxes. So, you know, when you take a fried wing and, you know, it's going to get all, you know.
It's not the same.
And not nearly close. So me, I decided, okay, I'm going to smoke these wings for 2 hours. Then I'm going to take them there I'm gonna park on the other side of the facility, fry them, and have my guy run them to me. We won the People's Choice. We won the Judge's Choice. Did it 2 years in a row, and guess what? I never moved, but the third year, never got the invitation back, man. So we're just have to share it with the nation now.
That's too bad.
So
at least you got it figured out, though.
Oh yeah, we got it figured out. I hope we get your seal of approval, though. Only time will tell. These will be coming out of the fryer in just a second, guys. Here we go. All right. There we go. We are going to give those babies a little rest over here on the table. All right, Justin, a lot of pressure on me. I kind of feel like I've built this smoked fried wing up a little bit. Oh, you tell me I have?
No, this is my favorite part, though, so I'm just looking forward.
All right, well, you get in there. Dealer's choice. First up, I know you're flappy. I'm going to go drummy. Think we need to wait a little longer?
They're a little hot.
1, 2, 3. You get the fried texture on the outside, and then the smoke hits it.
I mean, I had high expectations beforehand, but...
So I think we say it tops the buffalo. It tops the just smoked. Should we deem this the official wing of the Traeger hood for this football season?
Yeah, if you're allowed to do that, I think I say full send.
Let me check. Yeah, I think I can do it. All right, so the official wing of the Traeger hood, 2023 football season, Justin Herbert announced it, the smoke fried wing. Better get to perfecting it.
Sign me up.
What an awesome day. We tried smoked wings. We tried buffalo wings. We had the smoked fried wings. We've anointed a wing of the Traeger hood for this football season. Did you have a blast? I know I sure did.
It was awesome. I learned a lot, had some great food, spent some great time with you guys, so it's always a fun time.
Always a winner. And hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and subscribe. Check the recipe in the description below. And we'd love to keep sending you great content. Whatever you're cooking for your tailgate or your home gate, make sure you're posting that on social media, tagging Traeger Grills, #Traeger Game Day. Till the next time, keep that smoke rolling.